Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon TCG Pocket error code 103004089. The error reads, "You selected a Nintendo account other than the Nintendo account you linked your save data to. Please select the Nintendo account you already linked to." As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into the game, especially after reinstalling the app. Players have shared that they are redirected to the Nintendo login page, but after logging in, they receive this error and are unable to access their game data. According to our research, the error is related to the Nintendo account mismatch. If the game is linked to a specific Nintendo account and you try to log in with a different one, the error shows up. The first thing we suggest is to try logging in using your Nintendo account. Make sure you are selecting the correct account that you used when first setting up the game. Some users were able to fix the issue by logging in with their email first, then deleting and reinstalling the app, and finally logging in with their Nintendo account. So give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then try checking if you have multiple Nintendo accounts. If so, try logging in with any other Nintendo accounts you may have used. Some users discovered that their game data was linked to a different account than they initially thought, so make sure this is not the case with you. At last, if the error still persists, we suggest reaching out to the game's support team. Explain the issue in detail so they can help you recover your access or guide you with further troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.